In this question, we're given there are 16 distinct letters, and we want to choose 4 letters without replacement from the above letters. Now, we want to plan a number of ways this can be done if the order of the choices does not matter. So take note that the 4 letters are selected without replacement, and that the order of selection is not important. So without replacement order not important, we'll be using combination. That is, if I have n distinct objects and I choose r of them, it will be n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So number of ways this can be done if the order of choices does not matter would be from the 16